Hi Priyanka, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good, very well, fine here.
Welcome to Talent Talkies. How is the lockdown treating you?
Lockdown is treating me very good. Uh, Finally, my kids know that I can cook.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
I have been working in salon industry, have been working as a cosmetologist since 17 years. And since 8 years, I have my own salon called Resurrection Hair and Beauty.
Okay. Tell us about your journey and why you chose this career path.
My journey in this industry has been very well. I have grown a lot from doing laundry, from doing shampoos to a very advanced treatment. I've grown to that level. And I guess when I was very young, when I was in my teens, I, out of curiosity, I took a course in beauty industry. And since then, we are best friends.
Okay. And what are the challenges you faced when you started your career and the challenges you face right now?
When I started my career, there were two main challenges because when I started, it was way back. So people were not happy when they listened that you are working in a beauty parlor. They used to step back. They used to not like it. And the second challenge was where I was going through a very severe migraine problem. So it was very tough to work while having migraine. It took me 5 years to fight my own migraine.
So, what is your one advice if you want to give it to women and girls who want to pursue this profession? And what are, as a cosmetologist, what are the future prospects available to them?
As a cosmetologist, future prospects are very good. Any girl or woman want to pursue this business or profession, they should take a good training. And because of this pandemic, now there will be a lot of training available, lot of sanitizing training available. So work in that manner, learn a trend which is going to be after pandemic. There will be a new business trend coming in salon industry.
What that trend would be, if you can, assume. And I'm sure that being part of this space, you know what that trend would be.
All the clients, they are doing their things on their own, or either they are not attempting to do it. So there is a lack of touch. There is a lack of genuine touch in the beauty industry. So the new trend will be very less physical touch, plus giving them the best uh, possible outcomes of their problem. There are we are coming with a touchless facial.
Touchless facial. That's very interesting.
Yes.
That's very interesting because I think now the hygiene would be the major player in any industry whatsoever.
So that we are coming with that. We are working on that.
So, are you doing any online courses right now to learn that?
Yes, I'm doing an online courses which includes skin elasticity, skin cosmetology is very. I'm doing a course which gives me very brief into cosmetology.
So, you mentioned that you have kids. So, how do you balance between your work and home life?
Mm, it's very tough. I have to make a schedule. I work with appointments, so that helps. Mostly, my clients are very friendly to me, so they know that I have two kids. So they ask me my preferable time, and we work accordingly.
So, we are going to get into your personal space and ask a personal question that what are your passions and what do you like?
Passion is dancing. If I have not been a cosmetologist, I would have been dancer for sure. So that is my passion.
Uh,
And
what kind of dances do you like?
I like Western contemporary dancing.
Contemporary dancing. Okay. And during the lockdown, are you taking any of the classes to do your follow your passion?
I'm following some online videos which is into dancing basically.
Okay.
There are not contemporary dance videos available, more of a jazz videos are available.
Okay.
So when my kids go to sleep in the afternoon, I just try to follow them.
Oh, okay. So at least the lockdown has helped you pursue your passion.
Yes.
Partially. All right. My next question is about your style, because you are a cosmetologist. Do you have a specific style, and just elaborate on that?
My style it's an extension of me. I like comfortable clothes with bright color, with sense of fashion. I love sparkly shoes.
Sparkly shoes, interesting.
Yes, I love golden shoes. I love silver, all the sparkles in my shoes. I love that.
All right. And what are your future plans?
Yeah, future plans. Due to pandemic, all the future plans are at pause right now. We really need to rethink our essential needs and emotional needs. And due to pandemic, the future plans is that I have to relearn the salon trend, because there will be very different trend. A lot of people will be coming to salon and a lot of people will not be coming to salon. So I have to relearn that trend. I have to develop accordingly. I have to train my staff accordingly. And plus, I have to ensure my clients that the salon is clean, sanitized, and the staff is healthy.
So basically, you will have to remodel the whole working conditions to pursue the profession you already are in.
We have to remodule that. We might have to change our working hours also, because we don't want a lot of clients at a time.
Yes. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for your time.